It's been almost 4 months we have here in Polytechnic. So, how about you feeling now?
Oh, in Polytechnic. That's right. I want to tell a story. We student, we were encouragement to go to Palembang. You know?
No.
Yeah, yes. To Palembang to attend the closing of the orientation program with Mr. Dedi.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah. Okay. We were gathered at night on the basketball court along with the mentors who would check on us. Before leaving, we started getting ready. Some broke a lot of items, and while others broke a lot of items well. Others bought very little, and we also did forget to complete the Mission Impossible. You know?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. uh, this tomorrow, okay. Where we had to sell one item for twice the price we bought it for, and that's where the real challenge began. We were told to walk all the way to the jungle, town square wheel, carrying our heavy bucket through the night at around 2 a.m., covering roughly 10 kilometers, and we arrived at Jungle Town Square at 4 a.m. We wanted to complain, but we couldn't. We had to keep pushing until the very end when we finally reached the square. Yeah, our clothes were soaked with sweat. Right after that, we performed the Fajar prayer at nearby mosque, and afterward, we took photos as a checkpoint for this Edures activity. We continued our journey by taking public transport to the LRT station, which was our second checkpoint. We had to ride the LRT, and we were not allowed to cheat by using KRL. Yeah, that's
Yes,
right.
yes.
Yes, so very. And
Experience.
okay, next until uh, since I love documenting things, I took picture and videos along the way from the moment we departed until we got on the LRT until Palembang. Okay. Yes, that's right, guys. Oh.
On this occasion, I would like to share a story about the IT exhibition at IDN. We leave for IDN at night, right after Isha prayer. When we enter the IDN building, we were immediately greeted by various work from the senior at IDN. Much of the creation were really amazing. Since I am majoring in TRMG, I am immediately went to the TRMG exhibition. It was really impressive. Seriously, things things that I thought were impossible to create in design. I could now see being made in real life. This reminds me of the Polytechnic idea and slogan, breaking the limits of impossibility. In my opinion, this slogan carries a very powerful meaning.
Wow, what's that?
Oh, yeah. You're writing, bro.
Back to the exhibition. I then explore the other department exhibition, which were even more amazing, like TRKJ and TRL. Some exhibition even had challenge where participants could win prize if they answer correctly. I think this event is really great, especially for broadening knowledge and sparking ideas for future project. That's a little story from me. What do you think about IT exhibition yesterday?
Uh, I don't know, but I wanna next to my friend. Okay, Javan.
I think the IT exhibition is very meaningful because we have take
What?
We can take many
we can take many
experience
many experience from that uh, and maybe that's from me. And what do you think, Virus?
What do you think, bro?
How about
Maybe uh, my opinion is my opinion about IT exhibition is very, how to say, unforgettable, and I have a lot of new experience in there because I also meeting uh, amazing people in there.
Oh,
And yeah, and now maybe I will tell you about my story after I'm graduating from Polytechnic. Uh, Last year, I had one of the most unexpected and exciting experiences of my life. It all started when my cousin invited me on a short weekend trip to a small coastal town that I had never heard of before. I wasn't expecting much, maybe a quiet beach, some seafood, and a bit of fresh air.
wow.
But what happened during that trip turned out to be a story I still love telling today. We arrived late in the afternoon, just in time to see the sun setting over the ocean. The sky was orange and purple, and the wind felt warm on my face. While we were walking along the shoreline, we noticed a group of people gathered around something unusual. At first, I thought it was just a beach performance, but when we got closer, we realized they were preparing for a nighttime kayaking tour to sing glowing plankton. Yeah, it's very unexpected moment. Yeah, I had only seen yes. So I had only seen bioluminescence plankton in videos. So when the guide asked if we want to join, I said yes without thinking twice. Within minutes, we were equipped with life jackets and small paddles, slowly moving our kayak into the darkening sea. At first, I couldn't see anything special. The water looked completely normal, but then, as my paddle dipped into the waves, the ocean lit up with bright blue spark. It was as if the water burst into tiny stars every time I touched it. I was so surprised that I accidentally splashed myself, and suddenly my arms were glowing like had magical powers. The further we paddle, the brighter everything became. The ocean looked alive, sparkling with every movement. I remember laughing like a kid, amazed by something so simple yet so magical. Even the fish swimming under our kayaks left trails of light behind them, like underwater comets. Uh, By the time we turned to the shore, I knew this was a moment I will never forget. What started as a simple weekend getaway turned into one of the most unique and breathtaking experience of my life. Maybe this my experience that I can share to you guys. Okay, maybe next I want hear from my brother Alif.
So what you gonna hear from me, guys? Maybe I wanna share about my experience when we in paperclip challenge. So yeah, we,
remember. Yeah.
so it's very meaningful, and I got a lot of experience from this event. Like we have to like briefly talk to strange people, and also it, it's about communication. So,
Okay.
and it's this event makes me a little bit brave to talk uh, to strange people, stranger. So in that day, we I I go I wanna go to Bogor that day with 6 person, our friends that there are is Bimo, Afu, Jaydan, and also Fikri, Samsul, and Fajri. So at the first, we want to go at 6 o'clock a.m., but we woke up
Accidentally.
too much lately, so we went to Bogor, start at 8 o'clock, around 8 a.m. So yeah, so it's little bit late. I don't think it's a little bit, but 2 hours is enough. After that, we walk to Daya. So Daya, and then and on the way we try to barter to in shop, a little shop like Madura shop. So yeah, some my friends like got a barter, like there are got mineral water, mineral water, and and pen, and there are got also like chocolatos or snack, little snack. But if you ask about how about me, I also tried to barter, but the the person who I asked about it is reject my offer. So I'm a little bit down at that time. So yeah, but I have to move on. Okay. uh, Maybe I think I have talked too much here. Maybe let's hear about to other stories. Yeah. Well,
Okay, guys. I want tell my story what Edures Bogor for Palembang. uh, Dores Bogor and Palembang is an education competition designed to challenge university study, turn a balance of academic knowledge, critical thinking, teamwork, and real-world problem solving. This event brings together participants from two major Indonesian cities, Bogor is West Java and Palembang in South Sumatra, creating an dynamic environment where culture diversity, intellectual exchange, and healthy competition come together. The primary goal of Edwards Bogor in Palembang is to encourage students to go beyond traditional classroom learning. The competition is structured in several stages, combining academic quizzes, analysis tasks, collaboration challenge, and creative project. Students are required not only to demonstrate mastery of their field of study, but also to show adapt communication skills and strategic thinking. In the early stage of the competition, participants usually engage in individual assessments, such as written, text, interactive quizzes, or digital examinations. Uh, Test sessions evaluate their foundational knowledge in areas such of general science, humanity, social studies, technology, and logical reasoning. This phase is designed to individuate participant starts and ensure fair selections for the next rounds. After the individual phase, the competition trans situations into them-based challenge. Here, students group into teams must work together to analyze case, solve complex problems, and develop innovative solutions. Okay.
Now I want to tell my story. Same with Sir Alif.
Oh, do you
Sir
wanna
Alif
read?
Ferguson.
You wanna read? Okay, I don't know.
I feel so tired now, but I want to tell about my paperclip challenge.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Your kisah.
like you know, the paperclip challenge is assignment where we have to thread a paperclip to higher value, and on this day
What?
I started in the morning
Shut up, bro.
in Jakarta, especially at my high school,
Oh,
Yes.
Your high
SMA,
school?
senior high school.
Yes.
His name is Pondok Media Islam.
Oh.
I went to trade my paperclip with people in the area, such as the kitchen staff, the teacher, and the student of the Pondok Media Islam. And Alhamdulillah, I managed to make 4 trade out of took to look around and see if anyone was willing to trade with me, but I cloud not to endorse.
Nice.
I cloud not to go outside and to look around and see if anyone was willing to trade with me. And uh, I can
What you can.
cut dulu ya. Ini bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Aku berhasil apa? I finish ya? Bisa ya? I finish 10 kali ini apa?
I get it.
I did it.
I did it 10 kali nuker apa?
We did it. We did it.
10 times to trade ya? Oke, berarti
10 times.
gimana bilangnya berarti?
Berarti
I did it 10 trade. Okay.
We get it.
And then I did it can to
trade
trade
10 times.
10 times, and in the end I complete the challenge with total 18 trades, but
Girls night.
add of 18 is
Reject.
reject.
So what you have got from the challenge? The end.
And
What you got?
I got the smartwatch,
Smartwatch.
little smartwatch.
But what is
And-
smartwatch now?
This handsome bro.
I forget.
Is it broken?
Not broken.
But
Not broken. What?
Are you selling it?
No, I forget.
what is?
So you throw it.
Hah?
You throw it.
Lupa naruh bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih?
I forgot to
Forget what?
place ya.
Forget to. I forget that place because yeah, I forget.
Yeah. I see.
Okay, maybe that's my story of paperclip challenge.
Oh.
Maybe we can continue to the Wafi.
Okay.
Aduh, habis lagi.
It's my turn. It's my turn now. Then I will
So,
tell a story of 70
70 years ago.
70 of Agustus 17 Agustus
Yeah, I
also
remember.
celebrating or celebrating
Oh, that we got the second place.
oh second place
Nah,
it's 6 years Independence Day at Polytechnic IDN. The atmosphere is incredibly festive. What is that? Since early morning, the campus has been filled with small red and white, filled with small red and white flag, fluttering in every corner, and students from various departments. Various department gathered with excited faces. The main highlight of course was the traditional independence. There was the nail into the battle game played by 5 people taking turns. The sarong relay race with 10 people in each team.
the secrets that made everyone burst into laughter every time someone feels over, and even a unique football match unique football match because all players had to wear masks, making it hard to use the ball. I how to read it? I participate with the designer B department group from the start.
With me, bro. What you wanna do?
What you wanna do?
From the start, we were already united and full of strategy, even though many side our team only relied on boldness and laughter. But it turned out like where, but it turned out, but it turned out luck was truly on our side during the pen into the battle game. Our team finished very quickly, even though we are shaking from nervousness in the Sarong relay race. I even don't know what is mean. what is, I just reading. we also work. We also work together. Rely well, laughing, falling, getting back up, and eventually crossing the finish line before the other teams. Is that the time beyond the
Beyond combat.
3 minutes?
3 minutes? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is the time beyond the 3 minutes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
That's-
this is 5 minute drive.
We have made it 5 minutes. Okay, that's enough for us.
What an interesting story! Oh my God.
What is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, amazing.
And then
Oh,
it's getting late for tonight. I wanna back my home.
Oh.
And Kalimantan.
Me too.
Maybe we spread.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for us.
Thank for your story now. Okay. Okay.